Imagine typing one simple prompt into Claude or ChatGPT and getting back a complete presentation, a spreadsheet with all the data behind it, and an email with those files already sent out to everyone who needs them. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or running a business, this is going to change the way you work. For example, I asked Claude to create an itinerary for a trip to France with my friends, and within minutes, I had the itinerary in a Google Sheet spreadsheet with all the activities organized by date, a Gamma presentation with all the highlights of the trip, and an email sent out to each of my friends with all this information, all from one simple instruction in Claude. For Claude to be able to connect with Google Sheets, Gamma, and Gmail at the same time, I would need to use connectors. However, there's a problem. In Claude, if you click on the plus icon, you can add connectors from this panel. You'll see that you can connect some apps like Canva or Google Drive directly from here. The problem is that the capabilities for these connectors are limited if you were to connect them from here. For example, with the Gmail connector, you can draft an email, but you can't actually send it. Or if you have a document on Google Docs, Claude can read it and get information from there, but it can't actually make edits to it, which makes it a bit useless. That's why Zapier, the sponsor of today's video, is a much better option to connect your apps, because you can assign special permissions for viewing or editing different tasks on different apps. And not only will you have access to all of the native connectors in Claude, but over 9,000 more, which gives you a ton of options if you want to create more complex automations. So here's what I'll do. For this automation that I want to create, I need Claude to connect with Zapier, and Zapier to connect with Google Sheets, Gamma, and Gmail. So first, let's connect your preferred AI agent like Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini to Zapier. Go to zapier.com/MCP, and once logged in, on the left-hand side, search MCP servers. Next, you can select your preferred AI agent. I use Claude, so I'll select that one. Follow the instructions to connect it, and once everything's set up, you'll see on the left-hand side your MCP server. Here's where you can add all the apps that you want to connect. Just click on Add Apps, and look for the ones you like, which takes us to the second step, connecting Zapier to your apps. So here I'll add Google Sheets, Gmail, and Gamma. You need to define the permissions you want to assign before adding the tool. For example, you can allow Google Sheets to create a spreadsheet column, to create a spreadsheet row, to create a spreadsheet, etc. If you want to add them all, just click on Select All Tools and then on Connect. Log into your account and you're set. So I've added Gamma to make presentations and also Gmail to be able to send out emails as well. And just like that, we have all our connections done. Claude is now connected to Zapier, and Zapier is now connected to Google Sheets, Gamma, and Gmail. So let's test how it works. If I go back to Claude, click on the plus icon and then on connectors, here you'll see the Zapier option. Let's toggle that on. Next, you can simply define what you want to create. For example, I want a 5-day itinerary for a trip to Paris, France in July. Using Zapier, create a spreadsheet on Google Sheets and organize the dates and activities per day, budget, and transportation details. And use that information to create a presentation in Gamma. Finally, send an email to my friends John, Erin, and Alicia on my Gmail with the links to both the spreadsheet and the presentation. Just like magic, you'll see how everything's working out. You can actually see how Claude is talking to Zapier to execute exactly what I asked for. It's creating the itinerary first, then creating the spreadsheet on my Google Sheets, converting that information to a Gamma presentation, and finally sending an email to my friends with the links. After a few minutes, this is done. We have our link to our spreadsheet, where I can see my 5-day itinerary with all the activities and dates organized, costs, and transportation details. I have this Gamma link to my presentation, which actually looks really good. We have all the information, images, and if I click on Present, we even have some animations and transitions. If I compare it to the spreadsheet, I can see that everything worked out perfectly. Each day corresponds to a different slide, and the visuals make it very easy to understand what we'll be sightseeing on that day. And finally, we have our email. This is the email that Claude sent to my friends, and it includes the Google Sheets itinerary, the Gamma presentation, and it even included a quick overview of the activities. And all I had to do was write one simple prompt in Claude. This kind of automation works for so much more than travel planning. You could add your lecture notes and have Claude turn them into a Google Docs summary, a presentation with the key concepts, and a Q&A spreadsheet, all from one prompt. Or you could feed it a client brief and get a proposal presentation, a budget breakdown, and a follow-up email draft ready to go. The possibilities are genuinely endless, and if you want to try it out yourself, the link is in the description box of this video. This will give you access to 100 tasks per month, and of course, if you need more, you can always upgrade to a paid plan. Trust me, once you set this up, you won't want to do it any other way. I'll see you in the next one.